guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am going out to get some stuff for the car, so I'll catch you in a while. So what is the boys, we are back now. I bought everything that I needed. Now let's talk about the 5 tips that I am going to give you for this monsoon. Before telling my 5 tips to you guys, I'll show you what all I have bought. So here you go. I have a full body cover for my car, a fire extinguisher and these door visors. So let's go inside and I'll talk about these in detail. So now let's talk about those 5 tips in detail. The first tip is paint protection. As you know, I recently completely detailed my paint and I have wax sealed it, but if you guys have not waxed your car recently, then make sure to do it before the monsoon start, because wax is going to act as a protectant, as a layer, so that your paint doesn't get in contact with the salty water in the rain. Let me show you what I am talking about. So what you are seeing here is not dirt, but it is the salt in the water. If you stay in a coastal area like I do, then the content of salt in the rainwater will be very high. So there is a good chance that you will corrode the finish of the paint, and especially if you have scratches that have removed the paint and the bare metal is showing, then it is very bad, as the salty water will corrode your panel very fast and gradually it will get rusted. So it's better to take care of that. If you have scratches, make sure to touch up them and complete it with a sealant. I'll prefer waxing. If you have the budget, then you can even go for ceramic coating. And also putting wax on your windshield and window will make them water repellent. As you can see, the water is not actually staying and it keeps on dripping down because it's needing the water and the water is falling down. So it's a good idea to also wax the windshield and the windows. So if you want to know that in detail, I have made a video on that. I'll put the links in the description, so go check it out. Number 2 is the body cover. This point is more of a common sense, but the importance is very high, because there are days when you are not actually using your car, and rather than letting it sit out in the rain, and especially if you don't have a parking garage like me, when I go back to Pune, I'll cover my car when I'm actually not using it. And in case if you are wondering, I paid just 500 rupees for the cover. Cheap, but it is a good investment. Now let's move to the point number 3. The point number 3. As you saw, I also bought a fire extinguisher. You might be thinking why. Fire extinguisher is not especially for the monsoon seasons, but I feel there is a greater risk of fires in the rainy season, because there are chances that water will seep into your car and the circuits might blow up and cause a spark in your car. It's anyways a good idea to have a small extinguisher in your car, and especially if you have modded your car, it becomes a little unreliable than that it was before. And it is a good idea to have a small fire extinguisher in your car, not just for yourself. If you are at the scene of emergency, you can help someone out. I just paid 199, so it's better to invest 199 than later regretting why couldn't I just stop the fire, because the automotive fires are fuel and electrical. You can't use water on them. I'll make a separate video for the installation, because I have a very nice plan of installing it, so it will take time, so I'll put it in a separate video. Now let's move to the point number 4. So this point number 4 is specifically for those who have aftermarket intake. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I have completely changed the intake. So this is a complete short ram air intake. So there was no chance I could have kept the stock air filter box. So now you can see literally there is no protection from under, and especially if you stay in Mumbai with puddles this deep. So you need to have something to protect this from under. I'm planning to make a custom heat shield. So if you want to know how to make that, and also if you are facing the same issue, then do let me know in the comment section, so I'll make a video for that. Now moving to the 5th and the last tip. These are the rain guards. I consider these as a lifesaver. Imagine you have to drive when it's raining and actually you don't want to turn the AC or the heater on, and also you cannot roll the windows down. It becomes irritating because the windows and the windshields will fog up, and if you have these you can pull the windows down and the rain won't come inside. Also, one of the most important and most overlooked feature of these are, let me show you. So actually when it rains, all the water, it goes through here and it comes down from the holes like these, and as you can tell, this is starting to get corroded. So to prevent the water to seep from here and come down from there, you need something to protect. So that is why you need rain guards. So I guess this is one of the most overlooked feature of these. Now we are going to install these. So here are my rain guards. So we'll start off by cleaning this area. Make sure it is dry and dirt free so that the adhesive can stick on nicely. So now to install this, all you have to do is take off the red backing of the adhesive and then apply it firmly. Now all you have to do is repeat the process for each panel. It looks nice, and let's see how much we can open the window. Yeah, I will say around 5 to 7 centimeters. You can roll down the windows without worrying about water getting inside. I'll show you for the last time how it looks from the outside. So what is up, boys? Welcome back to the video. So right now I'm editing this video, and this video will be up today. And an update, yesterday was my birthday. Received my birthday gift. We have hit 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, who have actually subscribed to my channel and are constantly supporting me. You guys are awesome. Thank you for making me reach till here. I know there is a lot more to achieve, but I seriously appreciate. I am genuinely very happy to achieve 100 subscribers. I just started a few weeks back, so yeah, I am happy to see all the love and support from you guys. I know there are a lot of you guys who are actually watching my videos but not subscribing to my channel. So please do subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow. So, and I hope you found this video helpful. Once again, if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a fat like, and if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing, and stay safe this monsoon, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay savage.